Hello. Listen, I have a question. You know how messed up the economy is and how expensive things are these days, right? Well, I know where you can go to eat and where there's a nice selection of food, and of course, where the prices won't break your pocket, brothers, nor break your pocketbook, sisters. And that place is Frankie's. There are burgers, fries, chicken and hot dogs, and definitely some soft drinks. Oh, and of course, where the food is fresh and with a lot of room to sit and be comfortable. I always get the bacon cheeseburger deluxe, and the soda is refillable. And in the words from Billy, the owner himself,
My name is Billy. I want to let you know, come to Frankie's, try their seafood, hot dog, burgers. They're made fresh, never frozen, and we have good service, good price. That's pretty much it.
don't forget, when you come in and visit Frankie's in West Haven, 1151 Boston Post Road, West Haven, Connecticut, 06516, say I saw the commercial and you will get a cup of free soda from the soda fountain with your order. This is only happening at Frankie's of West Haven.